How to connect Twilio to GoHighLevel. So to connect Twilio to GoHighLevel, you need to first create a Twilio account. So if you don't already have one, sign up for an account at the website and make sure your account has a positive balance for sending texts. Then you need to get your Twilio credentials. So in your Twilio account, locate your account SID and token. Then use the account SID for your account and then auth token and secret key for authentication. Then you can typically find these under your account. So next thing you want to do is connect it to GoHighLevel. So if you're GoHighLevel account, go to Settings, go to Phone Integration. Then find the Twilio settings and enter your account SID and the auth token that you got from your account. Then click Authorize or Connect to link your Twilio account to GoHighLevel. Then you can also connect sub-accounts. So this is only optional. So if you want to connect Twilio to individual sub-accounts like client accounts, you can navigate to the sub-account settings tab with the phone integration. And then you can also purchase phone numbers if needed. So within GoHighLevel, you can also add phone numbers to your sub-accounts by navigating to the sub-account levels and settings and adding a phone number. By following these steps, you can also successfully integrate your Twilio account with GoHighLevel. And that's how you connect Twilio to GoHighLevel.